بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم. I have been attending many functions in Dublin, and I'm pleased to find that the guests, hosts, and coordinators' participation were always encouraging, particularly the youngsters. I'm very impressed by the young presenters handling quiz and other entertaining games. However, it is said that there is always a room for improvement. Therefore, I am taking a liberty to share my experience and to give a few tips to the young members of IPPA. As you know, while writing, comma, colon, semicolon, paraphrasing, full stops are very important, which beautifies the writings. Similarly, in speeches, lectures, and presentation, the importance is of pauses, breaks, smaller sentences, clarity, pitch of the voice, etc. One important thing is the style and control of hands. It has been seen that sometimes the presentation unnecessarily waves his hand. So it's better to keep your hands in this way. Yes, off and on, when you want to point out something, you can say this, that. But again, you should keep your hand fixed. Too much waving of hands is taken to be irritable and annoying. It is therefore advised to keep both hands intact. As I had said about the pauses and pitches of the voice, I will give you two examples of two presenters just to compare. Presenter 1. See, you won't find pitch of the voice, you won't see pauses, etc. So see, he comes and says, "Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. I am sure you are all enjoying. I know you all have enjoyed your meals and are looking forward to this segment of enjoyment and lot of fun such as quiz, poems, songs, Urdu or English jokes, etc. There are two teams on one left and the other on this right side. On the left, mostly ladies, and on the other side, mostly gentlemen. For quiz, I will ask a question and you will have to raise your hand. The first who raise will answer. Right? Now, the other comes, the second presenter, with pauses and all, and you will see the difference. Presenter 2. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of IPPA, I strongly welcome you all to this August evening and look forward to your full participation to make the occasion lively and colorful. We all are not professionals, entertainers, but we are a family. So do not feel shy in participating. We all are equally good or bad. So it won't make any difference. Goodbye.